Alright, so today we'll be doing an unboxing of Railroad Rivals, made by Glenn Drover and published by Forbidden Games. Okay, so it has an advertisement for a coupon for 30% off of your next purchase, rule book. Only 10 pages long, so not too deep of a game. Score track and the stock value track. All the stuff is punched out already, so that saves time. Looks like the different stocks, different stations and trains. A bag to hold something. Oh, probably the resource cubes. Looks like the players. So each person, oh, they're all, oh, I was gonna say they're all girls, but they flip over to be guys too. So that's cool. Looks like the mess of stocks. This is the city cards. Looks like they're mixed with city and stock. These are the city cards. So I know it's a tile placement area control game. This is stocks. Alright, well there's not much to this game, so we'll get this played and we'll review it, get more videos for you. Until next time.